Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about some seriously powerful tools. We're diving into the world of AI, and trust me, this isn't some futuristic fantasy. We're talking about practical AI tools you can use right now to make some serious cash online. Whether you're a writer, a marketer, or just looking for a side hustle, these AI platforms can change the game for you. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's get into it. First up, we're taking a look at Jasper AI. Now, if you've ever stared at a blank page, struggling to write a blog post, an ad copy, or even just a social media caption, Jasper is here to save the day. This AI writing assistant is like having a super-powered writing partner, minus the arguments over coffee orders. Jasper can pump out high-quality content faster than you can say writer's block. We're talking blog posts, articles, website copy, the works. And the best part, it's incredibly easy to use. Just give Jasper a few keywords in some direction, and it'll generate different text options for you to choose from. You can edit, tweak, and make it your own. No more agonizing over every word. Jasper takes care of the heavy lifting, leaving you to focus on what matters most, making that money. Next up, we've got Copy.ai, another powerhouse in the AI writing world. Now, Copy.ai is laser-focused on one thing: generating killer marketing copy that converts. Think Facebook ads that actually make people click, email subject lines that don't end up in the spam folder, and website copy that turns visitors into customers. Copy.ai uses the power of AI to analyze data and craft compelling copy that resonates with your target audience. And just like Jasper, it's incredibly user-friendly. Just input some information about your product or service, your target audience, and boom, Copy.ai generates a bunch of different copy options for you to choose from. It's like having a whole team of expert copywriters at your fingertips without the hefty price tag. Third, we have ChatGPT, the AI Swiss Army knife. Now let's talk about ChatGPT, the AI that can seemingly do it all. Seriously, this thing is like the Swiss Army knife of AI tools. Developed by OpenAI, ChatGPT is a conversational AI that you can have, well, conversations with. But here's where it gets interesting. You can ask it to do things for you. Need help writing a blog post? ChatGPT's got you covered. Want to generate some creative content ideas? Ask ChatGPT. Need to translate something into another language? You guessed it, ChatGPT can handle it. But it doesn't stop there. ChatGPT can even help you with coding tasks, write different kinds of creative content, and answer your questions in an informative way, even if they're open-ended, challenging, or strange. Think of it like your own personal AI assistant, always ready to lend a helping hand. Or should I say, a helping algorithm. Next we have Synthesia, your AI video production team. Now let's switch gears and talk about something a little different. This AI tool is a game changer for anyone who needs to create professional-looking videos without the hassle of traditional video production. Imagine this. You need a marketing video for your new product launch, but you don't have the budget for a film crew, actors, or fancy editing software. That's where Synthesia comes in. With Synthesia, you can create AI-generated videos featuring human-like avatars that look incredibly realistic. You can choose from a diverse range of avatars, customize their appearance, and even have them speak in different languages. Simply type in your script, select your avatar, and Synthesia does the rest, generating a high-quality video in minutes. It's perfect for explainer videos, product demos, training materials, and so much more. Synthesia takes the complexity out of video creation, making it accessible to everyone. Next up is Replica, the AI that cares and makes money. Now for our final AI moneymaker, let's dive into something a little unconventional. Replica is an AI companion app. But it's not just any chatbot, it's designed to be your friend, confidant, and even therapist. Users can create their own personalized replica, chat with it about their day, share their thoughts and feelings, and even get support with their mental health. Now you might be wondering, how on earth can I make money from an AI friend? Well, it's all about providing value and building a community. Some Replica users are monetizing their experiences by creating content around their AI companions, sharing their stories, insights, and even offering coaching services based on their interactions with Replica. So there you have it, 5 incredible AI tools that can help you make money online. Whether you're a writer, a marketer, a video creator, or just someone looking to explore new possibilities, AI is here to stay. And the best part is, these tools are constantly evolving and getting even more powerful. It's an exciting time to be an entrepreneur in the age of AI. So what are you waiting for? Start exploring these tools, unleash your creativity, and watch your income soar. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips and reviews. See you in the next one.